In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error while installing Windows, the computer's restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error, Windows installation cannot proceed. To install the Windows, click OK to restart, then restart the installation. And you might have tried it a couple of times, but every time this error appears. So don't worry, we have a quick solution for this. First of all, what we will do is press the Shift key and F10 together on the keyboard. And in some laptops, you might need to hold the function key as well. So Shift plus Fn plus F10, just press all of that, hold the Shift and Fn key and then press F10. And that will open the command prompt window for you. And here we will just write regedit, hit enter, and we will make a small change here. We'll head over to the HKey local machine, extract this, then system, then setup. We'll go in here and expand this. We will select status after that and expand this. And next one is child completion. So this is the final step. And here is the complete path. Computer. In computer, we will click on HKey local machine folder, then system, then setup, then status, and then child completion. Click on that and look on the right side. You will see some of the files here that is created for the configuration. So here, if you find setup.exe, just double click on that and just change this value to 3. Click OK and also click on the error message to let it disappear, and your computer will restart, and then Windows should continue installing like normal. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.